Have you ever felt rushed, like the world is moving faster than you? Or maybe you arrived somewhere and everything had already started? What if I tell you Mandarin has a word that can describe that feeling perfectly? Want to know which word it is? Then watch this lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Shaheda Polyglot here. I'm your teacher, Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 6 of our 60-day Mandarin Chinese vocabulary confidence journey. Here you don't memorize words, yet feel them, use them, and truly own them. And at the end of this lesson, you will receive a special reward. So stay tuned until the end. Today's word is late. In Chinese, it will be 迟到. Repeat after me. 迟到. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. This word is very common in daily life. Learning it will help you express time awareness and personal responsibility just like a native speaker. In Chinese, late doesn't only mean missing a bus or a class. You can be late to a meeting, late to reply to a message, late to notice your own feeling. Using this word correctly shows that you are aware and responsible. It's a small word, but it communicates awareness, urgency, or regret, just like native speakers would. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a vocabulary assessment. To pass the assessment, review all previous lessons regularly. This ensures your success. Those who participate will receive a Mandarin vocabulary fluency certificate. Add your name to the exam wish list. Link is in the bio description or comments depending on the platform you're using. For learners who want deeper practice, we have a 15-day private Mandarin vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to boost spoken confidence. Here you can learn character radicals, perfect tones, master more important sentence structures, understand sentence meaning, and opinion usage. If you'd like to continue learning after today's lesson, every lesson in the 60-day Mandarin Chinese series also comes with a complete study blog on my website. In the blog section, you will find the full written lesson with subtitles, detailed explanations, extra example sentences, and everything we have covered today, all in one place. It's the perfect way to review today's lesson at your own pace and strengthen your understanding. While you are there, you can also book private lessons through my website. Many students have already grown their confidence and fluency this way. Now let's move on to your reward. Real native style example sentences showing how this word is used naturally in everyday conversations. I am late for work today. 我今天上班迟到了. Hurry up. Don't be late for work. 你快点儿，上班别迟到了。Important reminder, while learning Chinese, focus on my pronunciation, not only the English transliteration. Mandarin is a tone-based language. Following the teacher's voice will help you sound more natural and fluent. Transliteration is just a guide for beginners. Now, this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using 迟到. Write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Your voice builds your confidence and reinforces memory. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Mandarin course and next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. Before we finish, don't forget that every lesson in this series has its own written study guide in the blog section of my website. If you'd like to review today's lesson, read the complete lesson with subtitles, detailed explanations, and extra example sentences anytime. I hope it will help you practice with more confidence. Thank you for learning with me today. This was day 6. Tomorrow, day 7, we will explore more daily life vocabulary. Follow the journey, stay consistent with Shaheda Polyglot here, unlock a world of languages with Spy.